The Zimbabwe Council of Churches ZCC has formally opposed the proposed Constitutional Amendment Bill No. 3, 2026, warning that its provisions pose significant risks to the democratic governance, accountability, and national development. Sabina mashoko atuona kuti machechi panguva ino oya achenda against the Constitutional Amendment of subscribe olega utonda bill aipo. Timna mnamobna nyika mchinzi. In a submission addressed to the Clerk of Parliament of Zimbabwe, the ZCC, representing 32 member denominations and an estimated 3 million citizens, described the bill as potentially harmful to both the nation and the legacy of constitutionalism in Zimbabwe. The church body framed its position as part of its watchman role, stating that it is compelled to speak out when national decisions appear to steer the country toward harm. Following consultations and reflection, the ZCC concluded that the proposed amendments, taken as a whole, undermine the democratic principles. Among its major concerns, the ZCC argues that the bill would concentrate excessive power in the executive, weaken accountability mechanism, and create conditions conducive to corruption and unchecked accumulation of wealth by political elites. The Council further warned that extending periods of power without democratic renewal could erode public trust and weaken institutional performance. The submission also highlights concerns over reduced citizen agency in leadership selection, noting that the proposed changes would distance the public from meaningful participation in governance. Additionally, the ZCC cautioned that the bill risks weakening oversight institutions and dismantling mechanisms essential for national healing and reconciliation. Of particular concern, the Council said, is the potential impact on vulnerable groups, arguing that the amendments fail to adequately safeguard the interests of the poor and marginalized. Toma developments are panguva ino ZCC ichiramba constitutional amendments. Now, section minutes of photo aim to give us a page to each. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.